Talo Forever Samoa, and welcome back. Lutalunga, Ole Popo Mano. Yes, in today's game, we are joined by the two very toughest teams, all the way from that side, Team Tropical. Everybody, give a big hand for Team Tropical. And coming in, we have Nani and Rosie. Okay. And Caleb and Adrian. Hello guys, nice to see you. And the opposition team for today's game, the Mighty Reds. Give it up for Digicel. Okay, let's see it. All right, welcome teams, everybody. Tumor, Sid, Will, Rosie, Nani, Caleb, and Adrian. So which one of you will be having a break for our first game?
I'll take the...
Oh, maybe I am. It's me. It's really
Okay, if you guys get comfortable. For our first round, we have Riddle Me This. I will ask you a riddle. The first team to buzz in and answer correctly will win 10 points. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right. Your first question. What has many keys but can't open a single? Yes, Team Tropical.
A piano? Piano or keyboard?
Piano. Piano is correct, and 10 points for Team Tropical. Okay, your second riddle. What is black when it's clean and white when it's tropical again?
A chalkboard?
Chalkboard is correct, and another 10 points for Team Tropical. Oh, don't worry, Digicel. Many riddles to come.
No worries.
Question number 3. If you're running in a race and you pass the person in second place, Tropical.
Second place, you're in second place.
That is correct again. 10 points for Team. Did you read our questions by any chance? No? Okay. Okay. Our fourth question. Tropical in the lead. What has many teeth but... Yes?
What has many teeth but can't bite? Sorry, okay.
Nice try, Timur. And Digicel team? Tropical?
Can you finish the question, please?
What has many teeth but can't bite?
A river mouth?
A river mouth.
Like the mouth of a river?
Like the mouth.
No?
Not quite there. Nice try, Nani.
Okay, it's alright.
Over to Digicel. You guys have another guess?
It's...
Talk it out, don't worry.
The toothless dragon.
Many teeth and the toothless dragon. Nice try. Well, listen. Nice try, Digicel. Over to Tropical. We'll give you a hint. It's used for your hair. Oh, Tropical.
A brush? A comb?
And that is correct. And 10 points for Team Tropical. Don't worry, Digicel. What has one head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? What has one head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? Tropical?
A bed?
A bed is correct, and that is another 10 points for Team Tropical. Don't worry, take it in. Come back. What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner? What can travel all around the world and not leave its corner? Oh, did you sound went first?
It's a circle.
A circle. Circle, not quite there. Nice try, Sid.
The ocean?
The ocean? No. Nice try, Nani.
No, it's food.
You can use it to send mails. Tropical?
Letterbox?
A little box? Close? No, not quite there. Yes, DJ Sal?
Can you repeat the riddle, please?
What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner? You can open something up, put it in.
Text.
A text. That would be a good answer, but no, that is not correct. Nice try, Willis.
Envelope?
An envelope. It's on an envelope. Nice try, nice try.
Oh, I got it.
An email.
An email. Oh, nice try. Adrian.
A stamp?
A stamp. He's correct. And that is another 10 point. Nice try, everybody. Give yourselves a big hand. Okay. Relax, shake it off, team. We're going to take a short break and come back for round 2 of Listen. Okay. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to round 2 of Popo Mano. This round is called Pese Mai, the newest round to our season 2, round 2 of Popo Mano. And yes, we will play a small snippet of the song, and each team will have to continue it, the right words. If we feel that you've given a lot of effort into it, we will award you points, but if not, unlucky. But don't worry, teams. All the best to you both. Team Tropical, I believe you guys are going first.
Here we go. Drop down, way down low.
Ah, nice try, Nadia. Tropical. But that is incorrect. The correct words were. Ooh, that was a good try, though.
Yeah.
That was close. How did it go again, man? How did you?
I feel like you guys are gonna play something.
Thank you, Team Tropical. Over to Team Digicel. Will, I hope you guys are ready. Your song is. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Will here giving out goosebumps. Our next song for Team Tropical. Are you guys ready? Oh,
Punyalawa is gonna hate us for this.
don't worry, Punyalawa. Nice try, guys. The words were. Oh, nice try, Team Tropical. You're getting back,
Alright.
But back to Digicel, Will, Moore, and Sid. Your song is. "24 seconds."
Darling, shall we go? Something's meant to be.
I like it. You might get an extra point for that. But over to Team Tropical. You guys, are you ready? Your your song.
I have always loved you. I hope to for a lifetime. The promise made by this heart of mine.
Hold the line. I know one day I will come for you.
Oh, that is correct. Nice job, Rosie. Oh, and that is correct. Nice go, Team Tropical. That is all your songs for Pesemai, and our last song for Team Digicel. Let's see if we can get this
Said it
one.
all when you said goodbye.
I wasn't born that time.
Took off your wedding.
Let's go, Sitch.
I've been trying to get over you.
Oh my God! And another 10 points for Team. I must ask, ladies and gentlemen, do you sing in a choir, a special choir?
Alafu.
Alafu choir. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Alafu choir's very own Willis. But congratulations, both teams, for making it this far. We're gonna take a short break. Thank you, and we'll be back for round 3 of Window Shopping. See you then. Talafalava, and welcome back. This is round 3, Window Shopping. And now we're back with Team Tropical and Team Digicel. Teams, I'm sure you guys are familiar with the game. We will show an item on the screen, and you will have to try and guess the price of the item. The team with the closest guess wins 10 points. Now, all the best with our 2 teams. Our first item for Window Shopping is a Tussie cleaning powder with softener. Sold at Frankie's Supermarket and Wholesale.
Just that one.
Yes. The 3 kilogram Tussie powder. Sold at Frankie's? Let's see if you guys know what to get for mom when she asks you to go buy powder at Frankie's Wholesale. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Please reveal your answers at the same time. And we have 6 tala 50 cent from Team Tropical, 10 tala 80 cent from Team Digicel. The correct price is 15 tala 90 cent, and the closest is Team Digicel. Oh. Question item number 2 is a Huawei E3372 mobile dongle, sold at Business Systems Limited. Business Systems Limited. You can get this Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi, so you can take with you wherever you go. In case your phone dies, you have something to hotspot off your computer or anyone else's device. So, Business Systems Limited. It's cheap and affordable and good quality as well. Please show your answers. 79 tala from Digicel, 99 tala from Team from Team Tropical. The price of this item is 99 tala, and on the dot, 10 points for Team Tropical. Your third item is a tropical oil, 5 liters, sold at Frankie's Supermarket and Wholesale. 5 liter, tilir faungao. My falaya, fuamo, or pangikeke, and all sorts of things that need frying. Have a deep think of how much it costs, and keep in mind, it is sold at Frankie's Supermarket and Wholesale. So don't go too high. Please reveal your answers. 34 tala from Tropical. Total tala from Digicel. The correct price is $41.90, and 10 points goes to Team Tropical. Our fourth item is a Panasonic steam iron, 2,500. I don't know what the W stands for, but we will find out. Waltz, it stands for Waltz. There you go. So, Business System Limited, ladies and gentlemen, Panasonic steam iron. Did you just, I hear you correctly, you have one like this, my friend Adrian?
Yeah.
You broke it.
You, don't worry, they have a warranty at BSL. Let's see, your answers. 150 from Tropical, 80 Tala from Digicel. The iron cost 179 and 10 points goes to Team Tropical. Your fifth item.
Very.
It's good quality, ladies and gentlemen. It's a Nuvo antibacterial soap, the 3-pack kind, sold at Frankie's Supermarket.
So, yeah.
Also, Frankie's. Over at Lotto Bar, one over at Vitele, one over close to Vipase. And it is, in fact, I think, the cheapest soap in Samoa. Let's see. Your answers? 2 Tala from Digicel, 4 Tala 20 from Tropical. The correct price of this soap is 1 Tala 70 cents, and closest is Team Digicel.
What we got right.
Okay, guys, for your last item, it is a JBL Tune 225 BT, stands for something. What does BT stand for?
Bluetooth.
225 Bluetooth earpods, ladies and gentlemen. This is sold at Business Systems Limited. If you're looking for earphones or earpods to go use while you're walking, training, doing chores at home, you can get this at Business Systems Limited. And it is JBL, the best kind. Please show your answers.
We rubbed it out.
Rub it out. Just draw on a really fast one. Just don't worry.
Okay.
And 300 Tala from Digicel, 180 from Tropical. Ooh, the correct price of this earpod is 660 Tala, and 10 points goes to Team Digicel.
Smaller thing.
It looks that way, but trust me, it's very good. Okay, guys, that is the end of window shopping. We'll see you back for round 4 of Coconut.
Happy ending, guys.
Hello and welcome back, everybody. This is round 4 of Popo Mano, the newest round called Coconati. Teams, Coconati, we will give you a puzzle. Teams will try to guess each letter. For every correct letter, we will reveal on the puzzle. It may be a movie title, a famous person, a place or thing. The first team to solve the puzzle wins the game. And then we have 4 puzzles to go over, so don't worry if you don't get it. You still have a lot of chances to get back on top. Team Tropical, you guys go first. Letter?
A.
Do we have a letter A? That is a lot of A's. Nice one. Okay. Over to Team Digicel.
T.
T? Is there a T? Let's go for a T. Ooh, there is one T. Back to Tropical.
I'll go for E.
E. E for elephant? Is there an E? There is one E. Someone's gonna go for H?
Yeah. H.
H? Is there a H? We have figured out the third word of the puzzle.
I.
I. Is there an I? There is one I. Nice one, Team Tropical. Back to Team Digicel.
O.
Is there an O? Okay, there is an O. Tropical?
F.
F. Is there an F? And there is one F. Back to Team Digicel.
S.
S. Do we have an S? There's one S. Tropical.
Oh, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Did you want to solve it?
Yes.
Guardians of the Galaxy? And it is in fact Guardians of the Galaxy. Congratulations, Team Tropical. You guys have earned a lot of points there. We're gonna come up for our new puzzle now. Don't worry, teams. Relax, shake it off. This might take a while, so, and for your information, teams, before our game, I was supposed to make my mom's pepe for her roja tonight. If you guys don't mind,
Perfect.
I just gotta,
Right on.
we're gonna get rid of this. Is it okay? Do you guys mind?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you watching at home, in Samoa, life is very good. Yes? Right? Would you explain it as a easy life? Willis?
Yes, it's a very easy life.
Very easy life, yeah. You don't have to go to work in the morning, you can sleep all day, unless you live in the plantation. But yes, this is what we call, what do we call this, Adrian?
Oh, let's go to coconut. Yeah, it's a coconut.
Cream. Yes, we call it. This is called coconut meat. We get it from the coconut. We've already softened the meat, and now we're going to make coconut milk. Has any of you ever seen coconut milk before?
No.
Yes, these are Samoans, ladies and gentlemen. But for those of you,
My first
Parang.
time. By the cans.
Wait for me. My friend, can you hold my mic, please? Okay. So we collect it like so. Okay. Put it together, and we make what is known as milk. You've seen milk, right?
Yes.
Anyone here part Japanese?
Yes. No.
You part Japanese? No? Okay, never mind. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, can everybody say milk?
Milk!
Okay, one more time.
Milk.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is Samoan milk for you. Please don't go home and try this on your cow. You'll make the cow cry all day long. Yeah. There you go. Thank you very much, Adrian. For you, Adrian, like you said, you've never had this before. You want to try? You want to try? Are you sure? You seem quite pale, my friend.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow you turn brown like me, okay?
No.
Go ahead, Adrian. Whoa. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Adrian, for your information, we don't drink milk like that. But thank you very much, Adrian. And our puzzle is ready. Don't worry, I wash my hands, Adrian. Our second puzzle is a person. Famous person, I presume. And we are going to start from Team Digicel. Timur, Sid, and Will, for your first guess, please.
A.
Do we have an A? There is one A. Back to Team Chocolate.
E.
E? Do we have an E? There is an E. Two E's. Did you sell?
L.
L. Do we have an L? This is the first tree trunk we've had. Don't worry more. Okay. Tropical?
Go.
I.
I. Is there an I? Looks like we both have trunks. The tree trunk. Back to Team Digicel.
We'll go for S.
S. Do we have an S? There are two S's. Good go, Digicel. Team Tropical.
U.
U. U for umbrella. U for... Yes, U. There is a U. Back to Team Digicel.
J.
Do we have a J? There it is. We have figured out the last word of the puzzle is Jesus. Back to Team Tropical. Anytime now, don't worry.
O.
Oh, do we have an O? Oh, and there are two O's. Team Digicel. Sit, don't worry.
F.
F.
Can we guess?
Can we solve?
So,
Do you guys like to solve? Yes, you can solve.
Mary, mother of Jesus.
Is it Mary, Mother of Jesus? Ah, and it is in fact Mary, Mother of Jesus. Congratulations, Team Tropical. Don't worry. Hey,
Thanks for the milk, man.
you're welcome. Sorry, I was supposed to make it for my mom. We can make some more at home. Okay, teams. We're going to start with Team Tropical now. Nani and your team.
A.
For Samoa, A. Yes, A. A elephant. That is correct. One letter for Tropical. Digicel. Is there? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Many, many, many eyes. Tropical?
La.
La. La. Long. Ooh, that is also correct. Digicel.
E.
Eep. Eep. Oh, there is one. Tropical.
No.
No. No four.
Now.
No. And the Chichos. Digicel. Mo Mapu. Like the Mapu. Oh. Malo little fine.
Sa.
Tropical. Samoa. Okay. That is also correct. Olifoi up. Team Digicel. Up. Oi, utu. Oi. Okay, that is correct. Back. Tropical. Fight usam. You can try to solve ua awa le si ua.
T.
T tavale. There is two. There are two teams. Over to Digicel. You can solve if you like.
What's soy fuamo.
Tawatale soy fuama. And that is correct. And Digicel earned those points. Okay, guys, this puzzle is a place, famous place. It is a mixture of Samoan words and English words, words. Good luck to Team Digicel for going first. Your first letter guess.
A for apple.
A for apple. And there is an A. Over to Team Tropical.
I for island.
I for island. Ooh, we should do another game for whoever gets the most creative letter. Creative. What do you guys think? Digicel.
E for extreme.
E for extreme. Wow.
Expensive word.
Oh, lucky. Imagine how it would have been. Over the Team Tropical.
O for obsolete.
O for obsolete. Oika. Oh yeah. O for obsolete is correct. Team Digicel.
L for long.
L for long. That is also correct. Team Tropical.
N for Nesquik.
N for. What's the word again?
Nesquik.
Nesquik. Okay. And is correct. Digicel.
S for super size.
S for super size. Come on. Oh, that is correct. Nice one, Digicel. Tropical.
M for mega.
Hey, be careful. M for mega. Okay, M is correct. Team Digicel.
T for tomorrow.
Okay, T for tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Whoever wants to solve, it is your time to steal. Tropical.
Y for yes.
Why for yes? Oh,
No.
unlucky. But nice try. You get the chunk. Digicel.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit. And it is there. R is correct. Tropical.
We'll go F for fantastic.
F for fantastic. That's okay. You get the coconut leaves. One more wrong guess, my friends. Don't worry. Digicel.
U for underwhelming.
What? You for
Underwhelming.
underwhelming. And that is correct. Oh wow. Okay. Tropical. You can try to solve.
So, Poulet Melee Star Melt.
Poulet Malay Star Mount, is that correct? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our round of Coconati. Thank you very much to our two teams. We will see you again for our lightning round. And welcome back, everybody. This is the last round of Popo Mano, the lightning round. And I'm joined now with Team Tropical. Hello, Team Tropical. Nani.
Hello.
Adrian, Rosie, and of course, Caleb, supporting you guys from the sidelines. How do you guys feel so far going into this round?
Nervous still?
Still nervous. Don't worry about that last round. Forget about it. You guys, I believe, are in lead. We will see. But we will try and go through as many questions as we can. I will try and read them as fast, and you guys just give the answer, and we'll move on with our questions. Your time starts after I read the first question. Good luck. What color is formed when you mix blue and yellow paint together?
Green.
What school did Harry Potter attend?
Hogwarts.
True or false? Emerald is a shade of green.
True.
What is the national anthem of the United States?
Star Spangled Banner.
Star Spangled Banner.
Star Spangled Banner, whatever it is.
How fast does the earth spin?
Pass.
What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok.
How many times did Peter deny Jesus?
3 times. 3 times.
What is the lightest existing metal?
Pass.
Pass.
What is the most common symbol on flags of the world?
Stars.
True or false? William Shakespeare is a famous singer.
False.
What creature tricked Eve to eat the forbidden fruit?
Snake.
How many Olympic rings are there?
5.
What's the loudest animal on earth?
Elephant. Pass.
How many years did the Israelites spend in captivity in Egypt?
400. 400.
44.
44?
100 years. 400 years.
In the desert, it would have been 40. Okay.
But nice try, everybody. 44 is your registered answer. Thank you very much, Nani, Rosie, and Adrian. Now, we are now joined with Team Digicel. Hey, you guys, how are you feeling, Moa?
Good, good.
Good. Sid, Will?
Same as
You, so far, you guys have made the game very, very entertaining.
Very tough.
Very tough. Okay, guys. Lightning round, I am sure you are familiar. We will try and go through the questions as fast as possible. All you need to give is an answer or pass, and that's how the game will go, okay? Your time starts after I read the first question. All the best. What color is formed when you mix blue and yellow paint together?
Green.
What school did Harry Potter attend?
Hogwarts.
True or false? Emerald is a shade of green.
True.
What is the national anthem of the United States?
Pass.
How fast? How fast does the earth spin?
Pass.
What is the capital of Thailand?
Pass.
How many times did Peter deny Jesus?
3.
What is the lightest existing metal?
Hello.
What is the most common symbol on flags of the world?
Stars.
Stars.
True or false? William Shakespeare is a famous singer.
False.
What creature tricked Eve to eat the forbidden fruit? How many Olympic rings are there?
8.
What's the loudest animal on earth?
Blue whale.
How many years did the Israelites spend in captivity?
40.
The game of netball was derived from which sport?
Basketball?
What are the names of Cinderella's stepsisters?
Cruella? Wait, Anastasia and someone, right?
Meaning binding. We're still looking for an answer.
Thank you very much, guys. I believe our team have noted it down. Thank you, Sid, Mua, and Will. Call you guys back for the rest of the game.
What happened? No, Nico. What did you say? What's the loudest animal? And he says my name.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have just gone through the lightning round with both teams. Very exciting answers, some very funny answers. And we will go through all of them right now. For our first question, we asked both teams, what color is formed when you mix blue and yellow paint together? Team Digicel and Tropical both answered green. Correct answer is green. What school did Harry Potter attend? Both answered Hogwarts. That is the correct answer, Hogwarts. True or false, emerald is a shade of green. Both answered true. Correct answer is true. Don't worry more. Your fourth question. What is the national anthem of the United States? We got a pass from Digicel. A spangled banner from Tropical. But you did say spangled? The correct answer is Star Spangled Banner. That was correct. How fast does the Earth spin? Both passed. Correct answer is 1,000 miles per hour.
Very fast.
It is quite fast. So. What is the capital of Thailand? Both pass. Oh, we got a pass from Digicel. Tropical answered Bangkok. Bangkok is correct. That is the capital of Thailand. How many times did Peter deny Jesus? Both teams look like they both went to Sunday school. Correct answer is 3 times. And that is your answer. Of course. What is the lightest existing metal? We got a pass from both teams. The correct answer is aluminium. Aluminium is the lightest metal. What is the most common symbol on flags of the world? Both answered star. Correct answer is stars. Stars are the most common symbol. True or false? William Shakespeare is a famous singer. Both answered false. Correct answer is false. What creature tricked Eve into eating the forbidden fruit? Both answered the snake or alternative serpent. You both got it right. How many Olympic rings are there? Digicel answered 8. Tropical answered 5. The correct answer is 5. Don't worry more. What's the loudest animal on earth? What was it again? Sid? Don't worry. We heard blue whale and an elephant from Team Tropical. The correct answer is the sperm whale. Blue whale was close, but
Should have said whale.
how many years did the Israelites spend in captivity in Egypt? We have 44 from Team Tropical, 40 from Team Digicel, but the correct answer is 430 years. So you got the 4 right,
Just go back.
missing the 30, yeah? Unfortunately, Tropical stopped here. Digicel went on for 2 more. The game of netball was derived from which sport? They answered basketball. Basketball is correct. And 18, what are the names of Cinderella's stepsisters? We had Anastasia and Cruella. The correct answer is Anastasia and Drizzle. Yeah, that. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Congratulations, teams. I hope you guys had fun, but unfortunately, there can only be one team going through. And with the team coming in with 188 points is Team Digicel. Congratulations, team. And Tropical with 250 points. Congratulations, team. It's been a very fun evening being with you all. Unfortunately, Digicel, thank you for being with us. It was very entertaining having you guys here. Made everyone laugh. We heard some wonderful vocals from Willis. Yeah, and we hope to see you at the 13 days of Christmas if you guys are coming. Yes, but thank you very much for being with us. Hope to see you guys again next year. Tropical, you guys are going into round 3 of Popo Manoa. I'll see you guys then. I hope you guys had fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Well, there you go, Samoa. Lutalunga Popo Manoa. Until next time, so far, so full.